Nguzo Babies!
Hi friends, it's Miss Ashley. Let's learn vowels. A can say ah, E can say eh, I can say I. O can say you can say I know my vowels, A, E, I, O, U. I. This letter is called I. I. This is big I, or the uppercase I. This is little I, or the lowercase I. I can make two sounds. I can make the sound I. I. That's the short I vowel sound. I can also make the sound I. That's the long vowel sound. Hi, Kojo. We're practicing the letter I.
Oh, does that mean we're gonna play I Spy?
Yes, we can play I Spy. Friends, would you like to play I Spy? Okay, Kojo, we're gonna go on a scavenger hunt. And when we find the words that start with I, we're gonna see if friends can guess if it's a long I or a short I vowel. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Kojo, you do the first one.
I spy with my little eye and inchworm.
Great job, friends. Inchworm. Inchworm. Inchworms are tiny little caterpillars that move like they're inching along. Look at this one. Friends, in the word inchworm, is that a short I sound like I or a long I sound like I?
I know, it's a short I sound.
Yes, it's a short I sound. I. Inchworm. I. Inchworm. I spy with my little eye. Ivy. Ivy. Ivy is a green plant that climbs and twists around trees and fences. Look at this beautiful ivy growing on a building. Now, does ivy start with the short I sound, like I, or the long vowel sound, like I? Ivy. If you guessed I, you're correct. I. Ivy. I. Ivy. I spy with my little eye. An ibis. Ibis. An ibis is a bird with a long, curved beak that likes to wade in the water. Here's one wandering in some grass. When you hear the word ibis, does it make the I sound, like with the short vowel I, or the I long vowel sound? This one's a little tricky. You can hear two I sounds. The beginning is the long vowel sound, I. And there's also another I. That one is the short vowel sound, I. Ibis. Ibis. Ibis.
I love the letter I. That was a lot of fun.
Great job, friends, finding I words in the forest with me and Kojo. Thanks for playing, Kojo. We'll see you soon, friends.
See you soon. And Nguzo Babies.